Good morning students. Let's start our third part of the video. In the previous part of video we have already discussed about division of monomial by monomial. In this part of video we will learn how to division of polynomial by monomial. So let's start our topic, division of polynomials. That means division of polynomial by monomial. So step 1, the polynomial is dividend and monomial is a divisor. Here what is a dividend? Polynomial is dividend and monomial is a divisor. So step 2, arrange the terms of the dividend in descending order of their degrees. That means firstly we have to arrange the polynomial in descending order. Firstly we write the highest power of the polynomial, next smaller, then smaller, then smaller. So step 3, divide each term of the polynomial by given monomial using rules of division of monomials. That means each term of the monomial is division by each term of a polynomial is division by monomial. So first example is divide 15x raised to power 5 plus 12x raised to power 4 minus 9x raised to power 2 plus 6 by 3. So here we have to divide each the term of this polynomial by 3. So firstly write in the division form, then so 15x raised to power 5 by 3 plus 12 raised to x by 4 x raised to power 4 by 3 minus 9x square divided by 3 plus 6 by 3. So when we divide 3 by 15, answer is 5x raised to power 5 plus when we divide 12 by 12 by 3, it is 4x raised to power 4 minus when we divide 9 by 3, answer is minus 3x raised to power 2 plus when we divide 3 by 6, it is 2 because 3 2s are 6. So moving to next, we have given a statement 32 x raised to power 8 minus 24 x raised to power 6 plus 16 x raised to power 5 minus 12x cube by 4x square. That means we have to divide all the terms of this polynomial by 4x square. So firstly arrange it in descending order. So we have already given in descending order because x raised to power 8, x raised to power 6, x raised to power 5 and x raised to power 3. So write in a division form 32 x raised to power 8 minus 24 x raised to power 6 plus 16 x raised to power 5 minus 12 x raised to power 3 by 4x square. Now in next step what will we do? We have to separate the terms. That means 32 x raised to power 8 divided by 4x square minus 24 x raised to power 6 by 4x square plus 16 x raised to power 5 divided by 4x square minus 12 x raised to power 3 divided by 4x square. Now we have to use a property x raised to power m divided by x raised to power n. Here it is x raised to power n and x raised to power n, and what is the answer? X raised to power m minus n. That means power is subtracted from the above power. So here firstly 4 8s are 32. Write 8 and x raised to power 8 minus 2 because x raised to power m upon x raised to power n is equal to x raised to power m minus n. X raised to power 8 minus 2. Moving to next, 4 6 are 24. 6 x raised to power 6 minus 2 plus 4 4s are 16. 4 x raised to power 5 minus 2 minus 4 3s are 12. 3 x raised to power 3 minus 2. Now solving it, write 8 as it is. 8 x raised to power 8 minus 2, 6. So power of x is 6. Next minus 6. X raised to power 6 minus 2, 4. X power 4 plus 4. X raised to power 5 minus 2, it is 3. That means x raised to power 3 minus 3, right. X raised to power 3 minus 2, x raised to power 1. So our answer is 8x6 minus 6x power 4 plus 4x3 minus 3x raised to power 1. It is our answer. That means division of polynomial by a monomial. It is a monomial. Why it is a monomial? Because it has only one term. So divided by polynomial. In this way we can divide a number polynomial by monomial. Moving to next, divide 8 into x raised to power 3 y raised to power 2 z square plus x square y3 z2 plus x square y square z3 by 4x square y square z square. So firstly we write all the term into division form. So now make the constant term separately. Why we write it separately? Because 8 is multiplied by whole terms, because after 8 the round bracket will start and in the end it is closed. So that means 8 is divisible by whole the terms. That's why we are writing separately constant terms 8 by 4. So because 4x square y square z square is divisible by whole term, that means we write 4 separately. So next left term is in round bracket x raised to power 3 y raised to power 2 z raised to power 2 plus x raised to power 2 y raised to power 3 z raised to power 2 plus x raised to power 2 y raised to power 2 z raised to power 3 divided by x square y square and z square. So divide 8 by 4, it is 2, because when we divide 4 by 8 to 8 by 4 it is 2, because 4 2s are 8. Now write them separately. First term x power 3 y power 2 z power 2 divided by this one plus x square y cube z square divided by x square y square z square plus x square y square z cube divided by x square y square z square. So write 2. Next, in next term, because here both the in numerator and denominator y power 2 same, cut it each other. Z power 2 in numerator and denominator cut with each other, because when we subtract z raised to power 2 minus 2, answer is 0, and if the power of any term is 0, it is 1, answer is 1. So moving to next, only x raised to power 3 upon x raised to power 2 is left, because both the powers are different. So write it x raised to power 3 minus 2 plus here both the terms of x are same, because x raised to power 2 here and x raised to power 2 here, cut both the terms. Moving to next, z square power z square same, only left term is y cube minus y2 plus here x power same and y power are same, and only z power 3 and z power 2 left. That means z power 3 minus 2 is left. So 2 3 minus 2 1, only x 1 plus y plus z are left. So the answer is 2 into x plus y plus z. So similar next one is, here we have given a fractional form. Divisor is in fraction form. So how can we solve this? So write the statement. We have given 2x power 4 plus 3x3 minus x raised to power 3 divided by 1 by 3x. So firstly write the terms in separately. 2x power 4 by divided by 1 by 3x plus 3x raised to power 3 divided by 1 by 3x minus x cube divided by 1 by 3x. Write in round bracket whole the terms. So here what will we do? We have to firstly convert the division into multiplication and reciprocal this term. 2x raised to power 4, change the division into multiplication and reciprocal of this term, it become 3 upon x, 3 upon x plus x raised to power 3, convert the division into multiplication and reciprocal 3 upon x minus x raised to power 3 multiplication 3 upon x. In the next step, 2 multiply 3, 6. Write x power 4 as it is, and here x power 1. So it is subtracted from the 4. Plus here 3 3s are 9, x raised to power 3 minus 1 minus 3, because we have 1 x cube, that means 3 multiply 1 3 and x raised to power 3 minus 1. So answer is 6 x raised to power 4 minus 1 3 plus 9 x raised to power 3 minus 1 2 minus 3 x raised to power 3 minus 1 2. X raised to power, here we have given 3x square x square. So that means x raised to power 2 minus 1 is 1. So our polynomial is 6x3 plus 9x square minus 3x. In this way we can divide the polynomial by monomial.